This is a pair of galoshes I bought from a store on TikTok. It's a thick and waterproof rain boots for men and women. Galoshes are waterproof rain boots, outer boots, or overshoes worn over regular footwear to protect your shoes and feet from rain, snow, and mud. Constructed of flexible rubber, making them highly elastic and resistant. Affordable, mura lang ito, kayang-kaya ng bulsa mo. Bili na, kaysa naman sa madumihan at mamantsahan sa baha at ulan, ang pinakaiingatan mo na magandang sapatos. Practical, dapat lang na mayroon ka na nito kasi tag-ulan na. Anti-slip sole, hindi ka madudulas sa baha o anumang basang kalsada kapag suot mo ito. Highly elastic, mai-stretch mo kahit bulky ang shoes mo. No problem sa ganitong rain boots. Easy to put on and take off. Madali naman isuot. Easy to stretch naman ang material. At mayroong snap-on buttons o butones para secured at watertight sa suot mo na pantalon. Kahit naman unbutton ito, hindi kusang matatanggal sa pagkakasuot kasi elastic ang material. Waterproof. Hindi makakapasok o penetrate ang tubig ulan. Mananatiling tuyo at malinis ang pinakaiingatan mo na sapatos. Siyempre, hindi rin mababasa ang mga paa mo. At dahil thickened ang material, hindi ito madaling mabutas kapag may natapakan ka ng matulis na bato o anuman. Foldable, napaka-flexible, kaya pwede mo itong tupiin, putin, at ilagay sa kung saan mo nais. Aside from unboxing, I also upload contents on guitar, ukulele, bass, and drums lessons. Check out the end screen at the end of this video.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.